Hello everyone, I am Cikgu Lina from SMK Convent. Today we are going to talk about application of nanotechnology in industry. For this subtopic, you must know how to explain the meaning of nanotechnology and you must describe the nanotechnology with example and its application in daily life. With the evolution of technology, alternatives have been sought to produce more sophisticated and efficient materials with lower production costs. Now, let's look at the background of nanoscience and nanotechnology. Firstly, the desire to see something extremely small has always been a major drive in scientific research. Secondly, understanding a certain structure at a tiny scale with the advancement in current scientific researches has enabled us to manipulate the properties of substance, to produce material with desired properties, That's mean nano science and nanotechnology, very small particles. And then among the studies on these tiny structures, there are those that relate to nanoparticles, namely graphene, graphene sheet and gold nanoparticles that have contributed to the rapid development of nanoscience and technology. Mostly we use nanotechnology in our skincare. Next, nanoscience is a study on processing of substances at nanoscale, that are between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers. And then nanotechnology is a development of substances or gadgets using the properties of nanoparticles. This one you can see the size comparison between different materials. We have here water molecule 0.1 nanometers, compared to the watermelon, 15 centimeters. So nano is very tiny particles or substance. This is the activity that you can do with your friends, in your group. Let's say you scan this QR code to watch the video about nanotechnology. And then you can make any creative poster to explain the meaning of nanotechnology. So this is the example of the nanoparticles or nano substance. What is the application of nanotechnology in our daily life? In our daily life, nanoparticle size, ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. So it enables various applications to be invented due to its extremely small size. So in the cosmetic field, for example, the usage of nanoparticles is able to provide more satisfying outcomes as these extremely small particles, so it have the ability to easily penetrate the skin even more. And then nanoparticles are also able to coat the surface more evenly, which make them best coating agent. Mostly nanoparticle is widely used in our skincare cosmetic. And then we use also this nanotechnology into the semiconductors and electronic. Why? Because it's smaller and more efficient semiconductors and then high conductivity wiring system. For the energy and electrical industry, we use nanotechnology because smaller and more efficient solar cell and then it long-lasting batteries. For the textile industry, water, fire and dirt resistant fabrics, so anti-wrinkle and UV protective fabrics. That's the function of nanotechnology used in the textile industry. For the medical, we use the nanotechnology because it's highly sensitive testing devices, so it more effective drug delivery system. For the agriculture, more effective pesticide and then highly efficient and throughout fertilization. Lastly, we use this in food industry, because nanoscale food additive, so antimicrobial food packaging also use the nanotechnology. Okay, so our technology every time semakin berkembang pesat. Okay, this is the example of the activity. Okay, you can do by your group. Okay, you can choose any area of nanotechnology application. Okay, for example, textile industry. Okay, medical, any type of nanotechnology area. Okay, so then you find out the information. Then you can present into your class. Okay, what is the physical? Okay, so we continue the development of the field of nanotechnology. Okay, this nanotechnology, okay, the coverage of the field of nanotechnology is very wide, crossing various disciplines, okay, including physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, and engineering. That means a lot of knowledge must put into the nanotechnology, combined together. And then as an example, a material that has become one of main focus is a carbon derivative that is known as graphene. Okay, so the important things is about graphene. Okay, graphene is one of the carbon allotropes. Okay, other than diamond and graphite, but has different characteristic from the rest. The size of graphene measures from zero point 0.1 nanometers, which makes graphene among the most important materials in nanoscience and nanotechnology. Okay, from the first picture, you can see, okay, graphene is made up of carbon atom. So this carbon atom have singular covalent bonds. Okay, you can see one, okay, the single covalent bonds, okay, with three other atoms of carbon. Okay, so one carbon, okay, you have single covalent bonds, okay, with the other three carbon atoms. Then this continue throughout an entire sheet of atoms. The bonding structure of graphenes here, okay, can be viewed as a hexagonal patterns. Okay, you can see we have the hexagon pattern inside the graphene sheets. From the figure 5.2, you can see here, okay, there are three layers of graphene sheets. Okay, when graphene is arranged, okay, layer by layer, it will form a graphite. Then, what is the physical properties of graphene? Okay, the physical properties of graphene is strong and hard, and then transparent, good conductor and heat, a good conductor of heat and electricity, and then elastic, impermeable, and very low electrical resistance. This is the physical properties of graphene. So you must remember all these six, okay, properties of graphene. What is the special of graphene compared to carbon? Okay. Okay, so now we continue with chemical properties of graphene. Okay, graphene sheet burn at a lower temperature than graphite. So graphene is the most reactive carbon allotropes. Okay, so researchers are still studying in detail the chemical reaction of graphene due to the relatively new discovery and isolation of graphene. So a few compounds have successfully been synthesized, namely, okay, graphene oxide that is used as catalyst. Okay, so you must know what is the function of catalyst. Okay, we learn about catalyst in the rate of reaction. Okay, what is the uses of graphene? Okay, there are six uses of graphene. Firstly, one is for electronic. Okay, the arrangement of atoms in graphene enables it to be a superior conductor. Okay, the second one, okay, this one you must betulkan sikit. This one not sensor, censorship. Okay, graphene has high surface area. Okay, so it is suitable for the censorship. And then into the biomedical also, censorship, tissue engineering, medicine delivery system. Okay. Next, use the graphene. Okay, we use the graphene in polymers and composite. because it high mechanical strength, make graphene suitable for polymer composite material. Okay, and then we use graphene in membrane. Okay, why? Because water filtration, separating water from gases mixture. Okay, lastly, the uses of graphene is for energy because batteries can last longer, flexible and strong. Also super capacitor. Okay, you can see here. Okay, Nano Malaysia autonomous vehicle. Okay, Navy by Nano Malaysia is an autonomous car that utilizes nanotechnology. Okay, this is our contribution in nanotechnology. Okay. So self SF 5.5 you can do into your text into your exercise book. Okay. Okay, number 1 until number 4, the differences between nanoscience and nanotechnology. Okay, you must explain how nanotechnology can elevate the standard of living. Okay, and then give the example of this technology. Okay, why the graphene is suitable. Okay, this is the example, okay, of the nanoscience apparatus, okay, games, okay. And then this is the major areas of nanoscience and nanotechnology research at PNNL. Okay, for example, okay, to clean and sustainable energy. Okay, the major area they have research about this technology. And then in the clean environment and climate change. Okay, biology, toxicology, okay, toxicology and health. Okay, national security. And then advanced tool and capabilities, okay, including EMSL, national users facility, okay. This is the major areas for this technology. Okay. Then, okay, this is the answer for self-assess 5.5. Okay, nanoscience is a study of processing of substances at nanoscale. Okay, this is the meaning of nanoscience. But nanotechnology is the development of substances or gadget using the properties of nanoparticles. Okay, this is the question for number 1, the answer for question number 1. Okay, and then for question number 2, okay, nanoparticle size ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. So it enables various applications to be invented, okay, due to the extremely drugs or devices. And then in the cosmetic field, for example, the usage of nanoparticles is able, okay, to provide more satisfying outcome as these extremely small particles have the ability to penetrate the skin even more. Okay, dia lebih mudah serap sebab saiz dia kecil, so dia lebih mudah untuk diserap ke dalam kita punya kulit. Okay, so it most widely used in skincare industry. Okay, then the production of semiconductors and electronic, okay, the uses of this technology. Okay, because it's smaller and more efficient semiconductors, high conductivity wiring system, okay, we use it in medical because it highly sensitive testing device, more effective drug delivery system, okay. And then in agriculture, because it more effective pesticide, and then highly efficient and throughout the fertilization. Okay, lastly, we use in energy and electrical. Okay, because it's smaller and more efficient solar cell, so it can long lasting battery. Okay, so that's all about nanotechnology.
Matahari bersinar, ku gendong tas merahku di pundak. Selamat pagi semua, ku nantikan dirimu di depan